Oh, it's that time again. It is time for a new plant to arrive and to be with us in the family. Right, Lou? Yes, she says right. So this is it. And we're going to open it up and see. I have had a little sneak peek, but that's all. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I didn't see that. And as always, there's a pot. There's always a pot and a plant. That's part of the subscription. Regular misting is a must to mimic its natural environment. Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing from Beards and Daisies. I get the subscription where I get a houseplant every month, and I have chosen the pet-friendly subscription just because we got the little crazy Lulu, and I want to make sure that she doesn't eat anything she shouldn't. She hasn't been on any of our houseplants so far, but you never know. So it's time for this month's plant to be unboxed, and from what I'm looking at so far, I like it a lot. We're gonna see what it is, and oh, here we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look exciting? Oh yes, it does, Lou. Yeah. Yes, it does, my lovey. On my lap. There we go. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. It is a bromelia. Okay. Now this is going to be exciting because so far the plants that I've gotten have been just green ones. I'm not saying they're not pretty, because they are. But none of them have really had any colour to them except for the green. So this one is really gorgeous. Like that. Let's put that there, and then we can put the box down. And as always, there's a pot. There's always a pot and a plant. That's part of the subscription. Big enough. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty. Is grey, and we're going to pop this in and see what it looks like. There we go. Look, I like that a lot. I have replanted some of my previous plants into bigger pots because I thought they were kind of growing out of their pots they had. They're not very big, the ones that they come delivered in. So I can always see if I have another pot to put on the outside of that one. But for now, I think it looks really good. So let's read up about it. Like always with Beards and Daisies, there is a little card to tell you what this is all about. And this is called the vase plant. Oh, okay. Vase or vase, vase. Botanical name Bromelia guzmania. Okay. It says it's native to South America and positioned in a spot with bright indirect light. Full sun can damage the foliage. So in other words, I need to find a place where it's light but not in full sun, which is always hard in this house because big windows, the sun goes around the whole house. Yeah, we'll sort that somehow. Water little and often during warmer months, or when the soil feels dry, and less so during winter. Water by pouring into the central rosette. So the water is supposed to sprinkle down into into the center of here. So it goes into the flower. Okay. It says that it's relatively low maintenance. Regular misting is a must to mimic its natural environment. And of course, if it's from South America, I would believe it belongs in the rainforest or somewhere. So it's quite moist down there. And yay! Wow, that was the plant of the month. And as always, you can see everything that I've got before at the end of the video. And I would really enjoy a comment. What you think about this? Do you have one of these? Are they hard to keep or not? Let me know. This is all new to me. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you can come back and see more things like my hauls, my reviews, my unboxings, and of course my plants every month. And also give me a little like if you want to. But until next month, take care guys, and I will see you back then.